Alison, I'm 35 years old, and I attend the Barnsley Hospice. I was referred to the hospice by my GP after I'd been diagnosed with bowel cancer, and I'd had surgery and I was just entering into chemotherapy. Being at the hospice makes me feel totally cared about. There's somebody to always listen, so I feel cared about, listened to, understood. There's always support through the staff, the therapists, volunteers, and to all the group as well. The staff are absolutely amazing, and they've always got time for you. They're always there to listen. And as it took nearly 2 years for me to be diagnosed, I felt very unlistened to. So it's lovely to come here and to be able to trust the staff and that they'll listen to me, and I feel totally cared about. There's always one-to-one support available, even though they must be run off their feet. But they always make you feel special and important. Before I came to the hospice, I thought being diagnosed with cancer kind of was a death sentence, which I didn't realise that you could live with cancer. And coming here, that's one major thing that I learned from being in a group with other cancer patients. It's brilliant being able to chat with the people that are going through similar situations. They have a lot of empathy and understanding and knowledge. Even though we're all different and going through different things, we've all got this one thing in common. So definitely give it a shot and just pop in. It's called a drop-in, so just drop in, I should say, and give it a go. It's not a sad place at all. There's lots of laughing. It's just important to remember that it's very pro-life, and it's all about living, and coming to the hospice will help you live with your cancer or your illness.